Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted automotive dealership located in Long Island City, Queens. Let's take a quick tour of one of the vehicles we have in stock today. Introducing the stunning 2023 Kia Sorento Sx Prestige in captivating gravity blue. This SUV seamlessly combines luxury and performance, offering an array of exceptional safety and comfort features. Safety is paramount with forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Step inside the cabin, where you'll be greeted by opulent leather seats and a panoramic sunroof that fills the space with natural light. Cutting-edge infotainment, a 12.3-inch touchscreen, and a premium Harman Kardon audio system elevate your driving experience. The Sorento Sx Prestige stands on 20-inch alloy wheels that blend style with stability, enhancing both aesthetics and handling. Expect impressive fuel efficiency with an estimated 24 mpg in the city and 29 mpg on the highway, ensuring economical travels without compromising performance. Experience luxury, advanced safety, and striking design with the 2023 Kia Sorento Sx Prestige in gravity blue. Elevate your drive with a vehicle that offers both elegance and exhilaration on the road. Embark on your car buying journey with confidence. Schedule a test drive and visit us today. Unlocking possibilities. Delivering quality. Only at Northstar Kia.